Good morning, children. In the previous class, we studied about force. Okay, we'll just revise this. What was force? Force was a push or a pull. And what all could force do? It could change the motion, or it could change the state of motion. State of motion means it could start an object, or it can make something start, or to move, or make it stop. It can make something. I will write here. It can make something start to move, और move भी कर सकता है, और make it stop moving, make it stop. It can move, it can stop an object, and what else can force do? It can change the shape of an object. All this we have studied, okay, in the previous class. Shape of object. It can change the shape of object. So this we studied in force. Now we need to, and it can also change the speed of a moving object. It can make it move faster. It can slow down the speed also. It can make something move faster or slower. All this we have studied, and this is simple, and I think it is clear also. Right or wrong? So now in today's class, we will be studying about the types of force. There are different kinds of forces. Okay, so we should study about, and we have also studied about work also. And for today, our topic of study is types of force. Types of force. Okay, we'll be studying about the types of force. देखो, कुछ forces ऐसे होते हैं which are non-contact forces. Contact is not required. Some forces can act from a distance. Now they are called as non-contact forces. Now distance is there, touch is not there. कुछ distance से force apply हो रहा है. So that is a non-contact force. Because why are they non-contact forces? Because the surface on which the forces act are not touching. कोई touch नहीं है आपस में. So that is why they are called as the non-contact forces. Now some examples where there is no contact with the surface, मतलब किसी चीज को push pull कर रहे हैं, वहां पे कोई contact नहीं है, touch नहीं है. Some examples are, say first is magnetic force. Okay, magnetic force. Example of non-contact force: A, magnetic force. Now what is this magnetic force? You've seen a magnet, all of you must have seen. Now what does a magnet do? A magnet attracts an iron nail or another magnet. किसी चीज को अट्रैक्ट करती है, अपनी तरफ खींचती है. That means magnet attracts, exerts force exert कर रही है magnet, isn't it? So magnet exerts force on them, force on an article, दूसरे किसी iron nail के ऊपर, or else another magnet. So that force is known as magnetic force. It is exerting force. The magnet is exerting force. That is why it is able to attract the iron nail or another magnet. So that is magnetic force, and it comes under the category of non-contact force. Why does it come into the category of non-contact force? Because magnet और iron nail, एक आयरन नेल है और एक मैग्नेट है, दोनों के बीच में क्या है? कोई भी टच नहीं है, कॉन्टैक्ट नहीं है. सो इट कम्स इनटू द कैटेगरी ऑफ नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स. नाउ द सेकंड एग्जांपल ऑफ नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स इज ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. सो आई विल राइट हियर ग्रेविटेशनल force. Okay, so what is this gravitational force? Suppose if a pen or a pencil slips from your hand, so where does it fall? It falls on the ground. It will fall where? Suppose this pen falls down, it will go on the ground. Why does it go on the ground? Because the earth pulls it towards itself. Because earth pulls it towards itself. Okay, अर्थ ने उसको, ऑब्जेक्ट को अपनी तरफ क्या किया? पुल किया. सो दिस पेन विच फॉल्स डाउन, इट इज फॉलिंग डाउन बिकॉज ऑफ द पुल ऑफ द अर्थ. नाउ दिस काइंड ऑफ फोर्स इज नोन एज gravitational force, and it is also an example of non-contact force. So forces we studied here, types of forces in your book, this heading is not given, non-contact forces. Only the types of forces is given. So if I rub this also, still you are clear. One is magnetic force, other is gravitational force. Okay, and where do they fall in? They fall into the category of non-contact forces. Now we come to another kind of force. Let's rub the board and we'll switch to another kind of force. Okay, now we have contact forces. We were talking about the non-contact forces, now we'll talk about the contact force. As the name suggests, what is contact force? The forces which act when the object exerting the force and the other object on which the force is exerted come into contact. Means आपने जिस चीज पे फोर्स लगाया वो ऑब्जेक्ट और जो फोर्स लगा रहा है दोनों दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स उन दोनों चीजों के बीच में क्या है कॉन्टैक्ट इज देयर ठीक है such forces are called as contact forces. For example, if I come into the example of this muscular force, okay, what have I written? I have written muscular force. Now what are muscles? We have muscles in our body. And what does it helps you to do? Suppose I want to lift up a book. What will I use? I will use the muscles. So such a force. Now I applied force to pick up the book. Okay. So such a force is known as muscular force. I am using the force of my muscles. I am holding the book. I am pulling it because I am lifting it because I want to bring the book close to me. So that is muscular force. Okay, there is one more important kind of force. Now that is the friction. Friction is another kind of force. Okay, friction, and this is very, very important. Frictional force is very, very important. Okay, now what is this friction? Friction क्या होता है? This chapter in fact is all about friction only. You know muscular force, you know gravitational force, you know magnetic force. All this you know. But what is friction? Friction क्या है ये? मैंने इसको contact forces में डाला. ये भी एक type का force है. ठीक है? Friction is also a force. Now friction is a force. It is a force. Friction is a force. यहाँ तक समझ में आता है? Okay. That is exerted when two surfaces come in contact. Obviously we are talking about the contact forces. Force which is exerted when two surfaces come in contact. यहां तक तो we have already studied. आगे with each other, obviously with each other, it acts in direction opposite to direction of motion of object. Opposite to direction of motion of object. Okay. So if the motion of object, now till here we are clear, come in contact with each other. We know that friction, I have told you that it's kind of force. Okay, it's a force. You know what force is. It is exerted, comes into action when two surfaces come in contact with each other. It is a contact force, that also you know. Now it acts in a direction opposite to the direction of motion of object. What does that mean? If the object is moving like this, ये motion of object, motion means किस डायरेक्शन में वो चल रहा है. सपोज उसका डायरेक्शन चलने का, if the direction of motion is this, is going like this. Okay, now what will friction do? The friction will be exerted in the opposite direction, in this direction. अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट ऐसे जा रहा है तो फ्रिक्शन क्या करेगा? ऐसे. It's a opposite force. Okay, are you getting this point? This is a motion, so friction is this opposite force. Okay, and there are many factors on which friction depends. For today, Just remember the definition of friction. Friction is a force which is exerted when two surfaces come in contact with each other, and it acts in the direction. If the object is going like that, it is acting in the direction which is opposite to the motion of the object. Motion means chalna. Motion means not stationary, it's moving. Okay, so this is frictional force. We'll continue on the factors on which the friction depends upon the advantages and the disadvantages, and we end today's session here only. So what did we study today? We studied about the types of forces, contact force and the non-contact force. In contact force, important thing that we studied was friction. So we'll continue with this in the next class.